Manu Bhaker and D. Gukesh have been confirmed as recipients of the prestigious Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, alongside hockey captain Harmanpreet Singh and para-athlete Praveen Kumar. The announcement follows a week of confusion during which it was revealed that Bhaker's nomination might have been missed initially. She later acknowledged a possible mistake on her part but emphasized that she remains focused on winning more medals for India. Bhaker made history at the Paris Olympics by becoming the first Indian athlete to win 2 medals in a single edition, while Gukesh became the youngest ever world chess champion. Harmanpreet led India to a bronze in men's hockey, and Praveen Kumar earned recognition for his T64 high jump victory at the Paralympics. The awardees will be honored by the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, on January 17, 2025 at Rashtrapati Bhavan.